So hi guys, for today's video, we're gonna learn about how to use if else condition and wait step inside Shopify.io workflow. So here's the example of workflow. So inside a workflow, click the plus button, this one, or even this one. It's okay, this one. And after that, find this if else conditions, this one, to add a condition branch. So you can set your condition based on contact data or behavior. Let's say for example, we're gonna find some tags. This one, contact details. Okay, gonna choose tags. Includes. So you're gonna choose VIP client. So in VIP client, we can send a specific message. And if not, it can send a different one. And gonna choose or. If not, gonna choose tags. This one. Okay. After that, click the save action. So here's the branch that we create. So this process allows you to personalize your automation based on who the contact is. You can also add wait step like this one, between actions to delay the next step by minutes or even hours or days, depending on how or what is your strategy. So by combining if else conditions with wait steps, your workflow becomes more dynamic, sending the right message at the right time based on each contact's journey. Say for example, you can add some wait step, 2 minutes, save action. That's one. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.